Today is pancake cereal madness. We need flour, egg and milk whisked up to make our batter. Pre that finesse on the pour. I spilled some, but we're good. Squirt little blobs around the whole pan. I did mine in a pretty shape because I have time on my hands. Make sure we're flipping them around to cook evenly. Pour them in a bowl and top with some Oreos. Mini obviously. Even some mini marshmallows and any sort of milk. I queued up hours for some Mars milk, so feel blessed. Bruv, this is every kid's dream.
This is my sticky chicken for 270 calories per portion. First I spray a pan with fry light, then add my diced chicken up. These are all the spices that I coat the chicken in. It's a teaspoon of each. I only add a little bit of chili powder because I can't handle too much spice. Now stir around and then cook until it starts to go golden. You want to remove the chicken in a separate bowl. If some of the spices are stuck to the pan, that's fine, scrape them up and you can use them for the sauce. So to make the sauce, you want to have 4 tablespoons of golden syrup, 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Then add 100 ml of water and give it a good mix, bring to the boil and then bring back down to simmer. You'll know the sauce is ready when you remove it from the heat, place the spatula through the middle and it should stay at the sides. Now add your chicken back into the sauce, give it a good stir around and let it thicken up for a few more minutes.
Lunch today was creamy hummus with naan.
Why didn't anyone tell me that the secret to extra smooth hummus is adding ice and not water?
Secondly, remove the husk from the chickpeas, and if you don't want to do it, that's what the kids are for. The ingredients are 1 can chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, and I had to try the TikTok hack of microwaving your lemon. I think that was 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then salt, garlic powder, cumin, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Blend once and then add a few cubes of ice and blend again. Try it, you might like it.
Nutella, we're making it. So good. 8 ounces hazelnuts. Spread them evenly. Bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Place into a bag. Shake. No more skin. Place into food processor. Pulse until a paste forms. Perfect. Hey, Nutella without the chocolate. Add a cup of powdered sugar and 1/3 of a cup of cocoa. Mix again. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons oil. Add vanilla, pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Blend. Beautiful homemade Nutella. Oh my gosh. It's so good. This is life-changing.
Let's make the famous cane sauce. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. Give everything a good mix and that's it. Enjoy.
Blew all my money on a trivial video game. I dug my head in the water so I can feel something. And now I'm thinking of all the time that my phone would ring. I reminisce and remember all of the songs we sing. But now I hate every one of the songs we used to sing. Can you believe that I didn't think you would leave me? And now I can't trust anyone cause you just left me. I wish I never responded to all those texts. It'd be better if we had just never met. Can you believe that I'm missing you even though when I was with you, I never felt more alone. I wish I never.
Today, I'm making the best Oreo fudge. No cap! So we need 1 can of condensed milk, white chocolate. Mix it till the chocolate melts. Then add a whole pack of Oreos. Look at the textures! The textures! Grab a fat scoop of it and spread it all nice on the tray. If you ain't eat the rest, grab some crushed Oreos and place them on top of the fudge. This needs to go in the fridge, so you gotta be patient. No joke, I literally only have 1 piece left. This is a banger.
You taste like warm apple pie. You said you single, you lied. I saw them texts from that guy. Man, whatever. So love me, don't give me love. Love me, don't give a f. You can try to make me think that I'm the only one, but I know you got me. So love me, don't give me love. Love me, don't give a f. You can try to make me think that I'm the only one, but I know you got me.
Today we're making homemade cotton candy flavored ice cream. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk until it forms stiff peaks. And by now, you know how we test this. Nothing comes out, it's good. Fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cotton candy flavoring. Fold in. Now divide it into 2 different bowls. Add blue food coloring to one. And fold. And pink to this one. Now fill a freezer-safe dish, a little bit at a time, different colors. A little bit of blue, and keep alternating. Tap it down, cover with plastic wrap, freeze 4 to 6 hours. When your ice cream's frozen, pull it out of the freezer. Scoop it out. Now for the taste test. With what else? Our tiny spoon, of course.
The best way to roast your potatoes. Use small potatoes and boil until fork tender. Drain off the water and put them in a big bowl. We're going to start with a generous amount of olive oil. You're going to do salt, pepper. We're going to go onion powder, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, fresh basil, fresh thyme. Get that all mixed together and dump it out on a lined baking sheet. Spread them out, give them a little room on every side, and then use a glass to smash them about a ½ inch thick. And then throw them in a 425-degree oven for about 30 minutes, but you're going to want to flip them halfway through. And you're going to end up with a soft interior, crispy exterior, the best roasted potatoes you've ever had.